A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 27 on plane, problems based on plane. So let us begin lecture number 27. Find coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to plane to x plus 6y minus 3z is equal to 63. Whenever we have to find out foot of perpendicular, we will convert equation of plane in normal form. So consider 2x plus 6y minus 3z is equal to 63. We will convert equation of plane in normal form, dividing both sides by root 4 plus 36 plus 9. Root 49, which is 7. So 2 by 7 x plus 6 by 7y minus 3 by 7 z is equal to 63 by 7. Therefore 2 by 7x plus 6 by 7y minus 3 by 7z 9 is equation of plane in normal form. Therefore, foot of perpendicular drawn from origin on plane corresponds to LP, MP, NP. L is 2 by 7 and P is what? 9. Six by 7 into 9. Minus 3 by 7 into 9. Eighteen by 7. $54 by 7 minus 27 by 7. This is foot of perpendicular. Equation this to normal form and hence find length of perpendicular drawn from origin to plane and direction cosines of normal. Consider r bar dot 3i plus 4j plus 12k is equal to 78 dividing by root 9 plus 16 plus 144 root 169 is equal to 13. So r bar dot 3i plus 4j plus 12k upon 13 is equal to 78 upon 13. So r bar dot 3 by 13 I bar plus 4 by 13 j bar plus 12 by 13 k bar is equal to 6. Is equation of plane in normal form. We want length of perpendicular. So this is length of perpendicular. Length of perpendicular drawn from origin on plane P is 6 unit, and this is direction cosines of normal, and direction cosines of normal to plane are 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 12 by 13. Find vector equation of plane passing through point having position vector I bar plus j bar plus k bar and perpendicular to vector 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Equation of plane passing through point capital A bar is equal to I plus j plus k and normal vector to plane is n bar is equal to 4i plus 5j plus 6k in vector form be given as n bar dot r bar minus a bar is equal to 0. N bar dot r bar minus n bar dot a bar. So r bar dot n bar is equal to r bar dot n is what? 4i plus 5j plus 6k is equal to 4i plus 5j plus 6k dot I plus j plus k. Therefore r bar is dot 4i plus 5j four plus 5 plus 6. So r bar dot 4i plus 5j plus 6k bar is equal to 15. Find Cartesian equation of plane passing through a minus 1, 2, 3 and direction ratios of normal are 0 to 5. Equation of plane passing through point a minus 1, 2, 3 and having direction ratios of normal 0 to 5 in Cartesian form be given as a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. So 0 into x plus 1 plus 2 into y minus 2 plus 5 into z minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2y minus 4 plus 5z minus 15. So 2y plus 5z minus 19 is equal to 0 is equation of plane. Find Cartesian equation of plane passing through A786 and parallel to xy plane. Since required plane passes through point A786 and parallel to xy plane. Since z-axis is normal to xy plane, therefore Z-axis will be normal to required plane. The areas of Z-axis are zero, zero, one. Therefore, equation of required plane in Cartesian form be given as a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 into x minus 7 plus 0 into y minus 8 plus 1 into z minus 6. 0 plus 0 plus z minus 6. Z is equal to 6 is equation of plane. Find vector equation of plane passing through point A minus 275 and parallel to vector 4i minus j plus 3k and I plus j plus k. Let p bar is what? 4i minus j plus 3k and q bar is what? I plus j plus k. Since p bar and q bar are parallel to required plane, p bar and q bar are parallel to required plane. Therefore, normal n bar to plane will be perpendicular on p bar and q bar. So n bar is what? P bar cross q bar. Determinant ijk p bar is what? 4 minus 1 3 1 1 1. So I bar into minus 1 minus 3 minus j bar into 4 minus 3 plus k bar into 4 plus 1 minus 4i minus j plus 5k. Plane passes through, required plane passes through point capital A bar minus 275. Therefore, equation of required plane in vector form be given as n bar dot r bar minus a bar is equal to 0. So n bar dot r bar dot n bar is what? Minus 4i minus j plus 5k is equal to minus 4i minus j plus 5k dot minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. 5k. So r bar dot minus 4i minus j plus 5k, take dot product, so plus 8 minus 7 plus 25. So r bar dot minus 4i minus j is equal to 26. Is equation of plane. Find angle between r bar dot I plus j plus 2k is equal to 13 and r bar dot, let theta be acute angle between the two planes. So cos theta is what? n1 dot n2 upon magnitude of n1 bar into magnitude of n2 bar. n1 bar is what? I plus j plus 2k dot I plus j plus 2k upon magnitude of I plus j plus 2k is what? Root 1 plus 1 plus 4 into root there must be some correction in this problem. The reason is what? If normals are equal, the two planes will be parallel. Okay, let me 1 plus 1 plus 4 upon root 6 into 6 upon 6 is equal to 1. Cos theta is 1, so theta will be 0 degree. Find acute angle between line and plane. The acute angle between line and plane the acute angle theta between line and plane is, instead of cos theta, it is sin theta. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 upon root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. A1, B1, C1 are nothing but 3 minus 6. 2, 3 minus 6. A2, B2, C2 are 2 minus 1, 1. Divided by root of 4 plus 9 plus 36 into root of 4 plus 1 plus 1. 4 minus 3 minus 6 upon root 49 into root 6 minus 5 upon 7 root 6. 5 upon 7 root 6. So theta is what? Sin inverse 5 upon 7 root 6. Find Cartesian equation of plane r bar is equal to 5i minus 2j minus 3k plus lambda into I plus j plus k plus mu into I minus 2j plus 3k. Equation of plane is r bar is equal to 5i minus 2j minus 3k plus lambda into I plus j plus k plus mu into I minus 2j plus 3k. This implies plane passes through point A bar equal to 5i minus 2j minus 3k and parallel to vectors P bar is equal to I plus j plus k and Q bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. Therefore, normal n bar to plane will be perpendicular on p bar and q bar. So n bar is what? P bar cross q bar. Determinant ijk 1 1 1 1 minus 2 3. I bar into 3 plus 2 minus j bar into 3 minus 1 plus k bar into minus 2 minus 1. Phi I minus 2j minus 3k. Therefore, equation of required plane in Cartesian form is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. A, B, C are 5 minus 2 minus 3. And plane passes through point A. A bar is equal to phi I minus 2j minus 3k. So x minus 5, y plus 2, z plus 3. Therefore, phi x minus 25 minus 2y minus 4 minus 3z minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, phi x minus 2y minus 3z minus 25 minus 4 minus 9 will give you what? Minus 38 is equal to 0. Is equation of required plane. Thank you very much. Today's one very important quote is there for a student and teacher. A room without books is like body without soul. अगर जिस कमरे में पुस्तकें ना हो वो किसकी तरह है कि बॉडी हो, इंसान का शरीर है लेकिन बिना अंतरात्मा के, सोल के, जमीर के. So thank you very much. Keep good books in your library at home and good collection and read it, go through it. Thank you very much.